Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Now, as you guys already know by the title of this video, in today's video I'll be talking about the Ayurveda Bringadi hair care range, and they do come with a hair mask, a hair oil, a shampoo as well as a conditioner. I'm not gonna talk about the hair mask today. If you want me to review that product, I will do it later. Just let me know in the comment section below, okay? But in today's video I am going to talk about their hair oil, the shampoo as well as the conditioner, because I've been using their hair oil. It's been 3 to 4 months already, as well as I was using their shampoo. So if you are interested in knowing what are my thoughts on them, then please keep on watching. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video, you'll get notified and you don't miss out on anything. Now, without rambling much, let's get started. The first thing I tried from Ayurveda was their facial scrub and their Kumkumadi Telam, and the scrub was so amazing. I still use them. It's been 1.5 years, I think. The day I started using their scrub, I fell in love with this brand instantly. And after that, I've tried so many products from them and none of their products disappointed me. So after using their scrub and the Kumkumadi Telam, I tried their Bringadi hair cleanser and their hair mask. So I've been using their hair mask from past 5 or 6 months, I think, and the Bringadi hair cleanser, I liked it so much. I first got the mini one because I didn't know how this is going to work. I started using the cleanser. I used it for 2 to 3 days and then I fell in love with it. So first I would recommend you to go for the mini version of it. It comes in a 50 ml bottle, I think. I got it first, and when I liked it, I got the bigger one. Now, I have extremely oily scalp. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you will know by now that I have extremely oily scalp. I get dandruff, I have itchy scalp, my hair is very fine and thin, and I have straight hair. Also, my scalp gets really oily, and towards the end of my hair gets really dry, which is kind of weird, but that's how it is. And this is my main hair concern, that I have dandruff, itchy scalp as well as I have oily scalp. Now, I was looking for a product that's gonna deal with all of these hair concerns, and when I discovered this particular range, actually I discovered one by one, okay? I haven't got them all at once. So first I was trying their hair mask. I quite liked it, and then I used their cleanser and I also liked it. Then I went for their hair oil because I don't really use a lot of hair oil. So when I tried that, I quite liked it. So then I went for their conditioner. Okay, so I haven't got all of them at once because they're a little bit towards the expensive side, so it was a little difficult for me as well to get all of them at once. So I was just trying one by one. So let's start with this one. This is the Ayurveda Bringadi Telam Intensive Hair Treatment Oil. So this is the hair oil I've been using from past 3 to 4 months, and I've been using only this one. Normally I don't really use hair oils, okay? So this is something I really liked, so I'm using it. And what I do is I just apply it on my scalp. I keep it for 30 to 40 minutes, then I wash it off with the cleanser. And I use it 2 to 3 times a week, mostly twice a week. And you don't need much. You don't have to use it every single day. A lot of people say that you can apply it and you can just keep it overnight. I don't do that. I just keep it for 30-40 minutes. I think that's fine for me. This has a strong fragrance to it. So if you are someone who don't like fragrance in your hair care product, you might not like it, but they don't have any artificial fragrance, okay? This is their natural fragrance, which I'm not mad about because it doesn't give me headache or anything. Now, this is 100% natural. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, and it's PETA certified. So this is a natural brand with no nasty chemicals in it. It prevents dandruff, hair fall and hair loss. It promotes your hair growth. It has antifungal as well as antibacterial properties. Hence, it prevents scalp infection. It moisturizes your scalp as well as your hair and makes it even more manageable. Now, the result it gives me, that matters me the most, because I've been investing my money into this, and if it doesn't work, what's the point of using it, right? So it does its work properly and it does what it claims. So it deals with the dandruff that you have, it deals with itchy scalp. If you have dry scalp or dry hair, it kind of moisturizes your hair and your hair doesn't feel that frizzy or greasy. Also, it doesn't weigh down your hair, and it has the goodness of Bringraj, gooseberry, indigo, that's gonna help in promoting your hair growth. Also, this is going to reduce your hair fall and hair loss. I would say it has reduced my hair fall up to 30 to 40%. Yes, it's working, but you have to give it some time, but it's definitely going to work. This is the hair cleanser I was talking about, and this is the Ayurveda Bringadi hair cleanser for volumizing, nourishing and repairing your hair. This is going to deal with your hair fall, dandruff as well as oily scalp. If you have oily scalp just like me, definitely try this one out. This is going to deal with your oily greasy hair. It's going to deal with your hair fall, if you have itchy scalp, if you have a lot of dandruff issues, and also I get very small little bumps all over my head. It also deals with that. And if you get back acne because of dandruff, you should definitely try this one out. It has clearly worked to reduce my hair fall, dandruff and oily scalp, and it also encourages your hair growth. It enhances the natural volume of your hair. It gives good volume and conditions my hair. My hair doesn't feel dry or frizzy. It makes my hair look shiny, makes it manageable, and it also has helped with the dandruff, as I said. After using this, your scalp looks fine and clean, and if you have oily scalp, your hair is prone to breakage if you are facing severe hair loss or hair fall, or if your hair gets oily the very next day after a hair wash, just like I do, you can definitely try this cleanser out. Now this is a nourishing moisturizing cleanser, and it adds a little bit of volume to your hair as well if you have very fine thin hair like me. And also this is sulfate free, paraben free, suitable for all hair type. As this is sulfate free, it doesn't lather that much, but it does its job pretty well. Now for me, it has improved my hair texture as well. I have very fine thin hair and they are very prone to breakage. So it has improved that hair texture and it has helped in strengthening my hair. It has also helped me in dealing with my itchy scalp. During the winter season, I know I get dandruff and I already have oily scalp. But during the winter season, my scalp gets extremely itchy. So this is something that helps me a lot, and the days I feel really itchy and icky, I always go back to this one. So this is how the conditioner looks like, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it from past 10 to 15 days. This is the Ayurveda Bringadi hair conditioner. This is for strengthening and smoothing your hair, and you are supposed to apply the hair cleanser. Then you are supposed to keep it for a minute or two. Okay, that I do. I just use the cleanser and I keep it on my scalp for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I wash it off and then I use the conditioner. After using it, my hair was feeling so soft and so smooth. It adds a little bit of shine to your hair and it adds that bounce to your hair. Especially if you use this one with this one, you are gonna love it. Now, if you have weak, fragile hair, or if you have dry, damaged hair, or if your hair has lost its moisture, or it's very dehydrated, or there's no shine to it, you should definitely give this one a shot, because this is going to repair your hair. It's gonna bring back that moisture and hydration into your hair. This is going to deal with the dryness that you have. What I really like about this conditioner is it's very gentle on my hair, and also this is an Ayurveda based formulation. It's gonna improve your hair texture, reduce frizz and flyaways, as well as it restores the lost moisture of your hair. It strengthens weak or fragile hair. It helps in repairing dry, damaged hair. It adds nourishment, locks in moisture, improves manageability of your hair. It helps in detangling your hair and leaves your hair smooth and silky. It's paraben and SLES free and suitable for all hair type. So this has the goodness of ringraj, balloon vines, licorice root extracts, coconut milk and so many good things. So this is definitely going to work if you have dry, damaged, dehydrated hair. After using it from past 10 to 15 days, what I feel is it's very nourishing on your hair, very moisturizing as well as hydrating. And this is going to deal with the frizziness that you have. It makes my hair really soft, smooth and silky. I normally have straight and silky hair, but during the winter my hair gets really frizzy, and it deals with that. Now I would recommend you this particular conditioner if you have color treated hair, because this is so hydrating, moisturizing and nourishing, and also this is going to improve your hair texture, and this is going to bring that moisture back into your hair. So I would highly recommend you this one if you have color treated hair or chemical treated hair. Definitely try this one out. And I would highly recommend this particular cleanser if you have color treated hair or any kind of chemically treated hair, because this is going to improve improve your hair texture and deal with the problem that you have. If you have chemically treated hair, then your hair is prone to breakage, and also you will face a lot of hair fall and hair loss issues. So this is something I would highly recommend along with this one. Bringadi Thalam is really nice if you have hair fall or hair loss issues. Now one thing I would like to mention that I never force any of my subscribers to buy anything at all. It's my job to try out a product, and if it works for me, then only I recommend these products to you. And I can recommend you products, but it's up to you. It's your call, you are gonna buy it or not. I can just share my honest review with you guys. It's your call, you are gonna get it or not. So I think these products are really good. I have tried it on myself. I've been using it from past 3 to 4 months, and I know that these products are really nice, and these are the products I always go back to no matter what other products I've been using. Now you guys know that I review a lot of products on my channel because it's my job, and I try a lot of hair care products. I have a lot of shampoo, a lot of conditioner that I use, but the thing is, these are the products that I always go back to whenever I'm facing any kind of hair issue like dandruff, hair fall, hair loss, or itchy scalp, whatever it is. And these are the products, they are a no-brainer for me. I know that these are going to work. So whenever I face any hair fall issue or dandruff issue, I always go back to these products, and I know they are good. And you guys know that I am someone who don't really compromise when it comes to my skin or hair. So I always recommend you good quality product that's going to work on you, because I already tried it on myself and I know that they're good. That's why I'm recommending these products to you. Whew. So yeah, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful, because this was my 100% honest opinion about these products. So yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, it's for free. It's for absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my family. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.